Chefin has created the perfect popcorn popper, the PopTop. This great little gadget makes homemade popcorn fast and movie night fun for the whole family. Let me show you how it works. Measuring the right amount of kernels is easy with the PopTop. To make a full 10 cups of popcorn, fill the basin on the bottom right to the edge. To close the PopTop, fold in the triangles one by one like this. Then place in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Use the tabs on either side of the popper to remove it safely from the microwave. Then add salt and enjoy.